The mobile phone revolution is upon us, and we are more connected than ever. For those taxpayers not yet able to take full advantage of the SARS Mobi app, SARS has extended its available SMS services to make things easier. You can book an appointment if you need to visit a SARS branch. SMS the word booking together with your ID number to the SARS number 47277. A SARS Contact Centre agent will then call you back to schedule a convenient date and time for your visit. This ensures that our branches can maintain COVID-19 safety protocols. We've also extended the services to help you look up your existing individual tax reference number. To access this service, simply SMS the word My Tax and your ID number to the SARS 47277 number. SARS will then SMS you back your tax reference number. If we have an email address on file, we'll also send you your notice of registration automatically. There are 2 other SMS services now available. To find out if you need to file a tax return this year, simply SMS the word file and your ID number. To get your tax account balance and statement of account, just SMS the keyword balance and your ID number. SARS will then send you an SMS confirming your current tax account balance. Also, if we have an email address on record, we will automatically send you an updated statement of account. We hope these new SMS tools will make it easier for taxpayers. And remember, your tax matters.